So we're here with Brian at the Samsung booth, and we've got the new four-door Bespoke, right? Refrigerator?
Correct. Four-door flex model, correct.
So tell us about this.
So this is our 9700 model. As you can see, that beautiful bespoke design there. And what I really like about this particular fridge is it gives you the ability to have two different temperature settings here. So if you are a wine connoisseur, this could hold up to 6 bottles of wine. Or let's say you want to have maybe your butter to be a little bit more spreadable, right? You're able to put it in a different mode there, which will go about 3 degrees or 4 degrees north of the fridge's temperature or below.
Yeah, and you've got the dispense system right here for your filtered water.
Correct. So this is our autofill pitcher here. So this is a 48-ounce autofill pitcher here. What I really like about it is it gives you the ability to infuse. So for me, I'd probably put cucumber, strawberries, things like that. Or let's just say you're sitting at the table with your family. Keeps you from having to go back and forth to that fridge to get your water.
We'd be putting lemons in here. Matt and I are a camera guy. We love lemon water,
Yes.
so we'd be putting some lemons in there.
Perfect, perfect. Also, too, this nozzle here is removable. Fingers are a little... So you're able to clean that right away. Very easy to do as well.
Yeah, because you'll get that sediment from different water supplies you might...
Correct, over time.
And calcium will build up, so you won't get that proper filtering coming through, right?
Correct, correct. Okay. Or let's say it's Thanksgiving, right? Everyone has left you home alone. You have to put all the Thanksgiving food away. So now my hands are full. I'm holding that Thanksgiving turkey, right? I can just go up to the door, tap it, opens the door 90 degrees for me.
Slick.
So that works on both doors there. And as you can see, we have metal cooling throughout there. Then we have that UV deodorizing filter up top. So we actually use ultraviolet light to eliminate those odors. So if you have that salmon, and you have to worry about using that baking soda anymore. We've kind of built that in, and it does not have to be serviced.
So with metal cooling, we're going to have proper temperature management all the way down from top to bottom.
Absolutely.
Great feature. And I see we've got the nice, deep, crisper bins with a water filter in the center.
Yep. Very easy to change water filter there. Okay. And then down below, we have our freezer here on the left, which will you be able to get your ice. You have your ice cubes and your ice bites here.
So ice bites, meaning kind of that chewable type ice, right?
Yes, everyone's favorite, right? And then to the right of that, we have our flex zone here. So this is able to be flexed to 5 different temperature settings. So if you want this as your mini fridge, you can use that as your mini fridge, or let's say that deep freezer that you want there built in.
Brian, thank you for showing this unit. This is really impressive.
Absolutely.